What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fabulous day. Today's video is a good one. Not saying that my videos are not good, but today is a very exciting one. As you can tell, I'm so excited and I keep talking with my hands. But it's going to be a giveaway. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this giveaway, and the reason why I'm doing this giveaway is just to give back to you guys and thanking you guys so much for everything, for all the support, for all the girls from day one that have followed me. And if you're a guy, thank you too. It's just amazing that people actually like your videos. And yeah, I just want to say thank you. And I love making these type of videos because I'm able to actually go out and like buy stuff back to you guys, and that's very exciting to me. That I'm like, I buy a lip gloss and I'm like, wait, I know one of my subscribers is going to like this, let me get this too. And yeah, that's pretty much what happens every time I go out shopping. So I just want to say thank you, and I'm very humble and blessed for all of you guys, and I'm very grateful. So yeah, that's that. You want to know the rules of this giveaway? You have to be a subscriber, and you have to leave me a comment on the bottom bar, on the bottom thing, saying where are you located. This is an international giveaway, so you can tell me if you're from India, if you're in India, if you're in Australia, if you're in Japan, if you're in Tokyo, if you're wherever you are. I really want to know, and I think it's amazing to learn. I love learning different cultures and knowing where people are from. It's just amazing to me because this world, we're all different and unique in our own way, and it's just pretty fascinating. Like, I would love to know if someone actually watches me in Australia. How amazing is that? I've never been to Australia, but my face is popping up in Australia. How amazing is that? And so I really want to know that. And also leave me a comment saying why you want to win this giveaway. And that's about it. Very simple, very self-explanatory. Very simple. Where are you located and why you want to win this giveaway? It's very simple, right? Also, don't forget to give this video a like, and I think that's about it. If you take 4. Also, if you guys want an extra entry for this video, thank goodness, finally. You should follow my social media, which is at Ashley Stephanie Official. It's my Instagram, and I put amazing pictures and fun stuff. I'm always reviewing products there too, so if you want. So let's get on with the giveaway. So I'm going to show you all the things you guys are going to win, and this video is going to be international, and it's going to be for 1 month. And then I'll close it and announce the winner on my social media, which is at Stephanie Official and Instagram. Very simple, and yes, that's it. So I did go ahead and make 2 bags for you guys. I do want to have 2 winners, which is another thing I didn't mention at the beginning. So if you're still here, remember, give this video a like. I'm gonna have 2 winners just because I feel like so many people enter this giveaway, and then I feel so bad that I just give it to one person. I wish I could give it to all of you. So I'm just picking 2 winners, which is better than 1. And I'll just show you one of the prizes. So a lot of stuff are here, and then a lot of stuff are here. So this can be like package 1 and then package 2. And I'll be also telling the person, obviously whoever I chose number 1 will get this one, and whoever I choose number 2 will get this one. I think pretty much they're both around the same price. It has a lot of great stuff in here, so I know you guys really want to know what's in there. So let's get started. Okay, so for package 1, which is this one, we have the Complexion Uncomplicated Brush Set. It's this beautiful brush set. It comes with a foundation brush, concealer brush, powder brush, buffing brush, and detail concealer brush. It's so pretty, and I love the fact that it's very neutral. This is why I picked it up for you guys. I don't know if you guys have a vanity or not, but this will look great in your vanity. And it comes with a little pouch that you can take it with you, and it's a Sephora collection, which Mama loves Sephora. The second product is the Marc Jacobs Iconic. It's let me erase it, guys. Also keep in mind, if you find that the packages are like a little broken, it's because it's my nails. But yeah, so the second product is a Marc Jacobs Iconic in the number 790. It's a multi-finish eye palette, and it comes with all these colors, and it has a beautiful white finish packaging. I really want to show you these colors. I'm not going to swatch it just because I don't want it to damage, and this is the only one I bought. So are the colors. It's so pretty and very settled for the eye. Okay guys, so the third products that I got is two Giorgio Armani lip intense velvet color. This one is in the color 200, and it's this beautiful color. This is perfect for fall. And then the next one is 523. It's also an intense velvet color in the color Rose Sand, 523, and it's this beautiful like pink cool tone. It's very pretty. So these two products you'll be receiving, and this is going to be great for fall or winter. I don't know, I like everything. Okay guys, so the next product will be these three Revlon Glow Lip. This one is a Glow Lip Oil. This is a Lip Glow Gilly, and same one. This one is a purplish shade, but it doesn't come out. I do own these, so it doesn't come out. Obviously you guys gonna get the new ones, but I do have these. It doesn't come out as purple. It's like a nice sheen, shiny shimmer. And this one also, it's a very clear, pretty color. And then this one is a Glow Lip Oil, which is also like this very pinky color. They're not intense colors, they're very shiny. They are like glosses, so it will leave your lips beautiful and ready for. Next, so the next product is a Noel number 14 Fox Mink from Huda Beauty. I'm gonna giving away one of these. It does come with glue inside, so that's always a plus. Okay guys, and then the next product is a Metal Crush from Kat Von D. I do own one of this, so I really wanted to give it back to you guys. I don't know what I said. So I really like this one. I do not want to. It's this applicator. I'm not gonna test it because this one is for you guys, but I do own one for myself, which is why I like it. It's a beautiful finish. It's a liquid highlighter, so you know, my sister needs one of these. Okay guys, so the next product is a Bite Lip in the color Glow. This one doesn't come out. This one is this beautiful, perfect for the holidays. I will love it. It's so pretty. 103 Armani Matte Downtown. Whoa. And this one is in this beautiful kind of like a brownish kind of color. I really want to swatch this one. Should I swatch it? If I swatch it, would you guys get upset? Okay, I did clean my hands, so I'm just gonna swatch one. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, I just swatched it. Okay, I promise I won't swatch anything else. It's this beautiful color. I did wash my hands, so don't worry. Hey guys, so the next product is a Moisture Melt Lip Gloss Stick. And it's from the brand Kaha, and it has this beautiful heart tip, which I think will be very easy to apply on your lips because of the tip. I'm not gonna put this on my lips, and Now I feel bad. I should have not swatched the Armani one. But okay, it is what it is. Also, the next product is from Bite. This is a Mauve Marzipan. Yes. And this is a shimmer lip crayon. And I have one. Where is it? Okay. So I actually have one. This is mine. So I am gonna show you how it looks. It kind of has a similarity to the one I swatched before, but it's very, it's like a different color. Obviously this one's mine, and you'll be getting this one. It's sealed. I did not open it at all. That's about it for the first package, guys. There is a lot of great stuff in there, and I hope you guys really enjoy and appreciate everything that I'm giving back to you guys. But all those stuff is gonna be for you, and that's package number 1. So now I'm gonna start with package number 2, and it's in here. Alright guys, so the first product you're gonna receive is a brush collection from Sephora. It's called I'm Not Perfect, but my eyeliner is. It's this beautiful, it has shimmer on the holding of the, if you guys can see, it's very pretty and it's pink. The next product you're gonna receive is a Samantha number 7, and this also has an applicator inside, a glue applicator for you guys to use it, and it's from Huda Beauty, and that's that. Products you're gonna receive is a liquid aloe eyeshadow from Revlon. This collection I have is beautiful, and this is exactly a dupe for the Stila liquid eyeshadows. And it's actually, I think, a dupe of the one I'm wearing right now. It's so beautiful. I don't want to swatch it because this is for you guys. And I really feel bad for swatching the Armani one. And then the next product is also a lip glow from Revlon, and another glow lip oil from Revlon. Here you're gonna have another Revlon item. This is a lip balm, I believe. I'm hoping. It is in the number 002, and you're gonna receive a Revlon Putty Powder Eye Beam and a Glow Gilly Happy Glow Lucky on the number 003. I actually own this one of these, not this one of these, and it's amazing. I love it. The next two products are Armani. You're gonna receive the number 100 on the color Sand. It is a lip velvet color, and it's this beautiful sand color. And then the next one is a number 415 Red Wood. It does look like a redwood, I would say. It's so pretty. This one, I love the packaging. Do you guys see how beautiful this packaging is? This product is a Fenty product. This is Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. It's a freestyle highlighter duo, and it is in the color Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. Oh my god. I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna break all these boxes. Okay, so this is the color. It doesn't come out in this so strong color. It comes out more of a sheen to it, like a beautiful highlight. And that's, I do own one of these as well, so I wanted to give back to you guys something that I love, and I know you guys gonna love as well. So the next product will be this Revlon Never Enough lip. 2 lip colors and a lip liner. So this one is a Revlon Ultimate Matte Color. It has 2 lips and then a lip liner. It's these beautiful colors, and I know you guys gonna love it because I love this set. Product you're gonna get is another Revlon Liquid Aloe eyeshadow. I forgot to put that one with the other one, but it's this pinky color. It's so gorgeous. And the Metal Crush liquid highlighter that I showed on the other package, it's the same one. And this one is the Bite in Cherry Pearl. And although these colors look very intensive, they're not intensive on the lip. They do come out as a sheen, shiny color. This one is so pretty. This one reminds me of like Christmas. And lastly, the last item you'll be getting is this number 282 in the color Vinyl Dream. It's this beautiful Marc Jacobs lip, a lipstick in this beautiful packaging. And I'm not gonna swatch it, I promise. And it's this beautiful kind of, it kind of looks like my shirt. But it's so pretty for the fall or the winter, because winter is like around the corner. So yes guys, we have reached the end of this video. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, which is where I'm going to announce the winner on November 2nd. I'll be announcing the winner. And I hope you guys really liked all the stuff I got you guys. I really get it from the bottom of my heart. And yeah, it's just a little thing to say thank you for everything. And yeah, also one more thing, I did want to try to make the two packages kind of similar. If something had something extra than the other one, I kind of wanted to make it almost as equal. And I hope I really did show that by kind of combining the two packages to separate. I don't know, I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a great day. Don't forget to comment, and I'll leave all the information down below. And yeah, I'm just so excited. So thank you guys, have a great day.